So this is 2014. Hamza came over to Pakistan and we conduct lectures. There are some youth club supporters here, mashallah, they know. We conduct lectures in different institutes. We conducted a lecture at a business institute. I remember this very clearly, in Lahore. And in there's a different crowd because our work is mostly for those people who are away from the deen. Liberals, secular people. They are Muslims by name, but they have ajib ideas, let's say. Yeah, let's just say that. So this event was organized at a business institute, and Hamza, as usual, gave a fiery talk about the purpose of life, existence. He gave some really strong arguments for the foundation of Islam, and there were Q&A, and amazing event. We went home, done. A few weeks later, or a few months later, the sister who organized it, so this was in Lahore, we're back in Pakistan, the sister who organized it, she contacted me, she said, Brother Nadeem, do you remember that event at that business institute, in that falafel place? Yeah. Do you remember in the audience there was one particular guy that was taking a lot of notes vociferously? Like he was really taking the essay, which some of you guys are, right? Yeah, mental notes, yeah. Oh, you're taking notes here. That's a new one. Usually it's here, but he's taking notes straight to the heart. MashaAllah, alhamdulillah. So he was taking, I don't recall, and she sent me pictures of the audience, and they go, that guy, oh yeah, he was a cap, and he was taking a lot of notes. Nobody else was taking notes. This guy was taking notes. Well, that guy, he just died. He died. So after this event, he died, I think, 2 months ago. So, okay, subhanAllah. And then I said, my first question, in the Dawah, you're concerned. He died as a Muslim. Because apparently during that talk, he was self-professed atheist. He said, I don't believe, for some reason he read a book, he read some stuff, a video, and he said, I left Islam. But that talk re-inspired him, reignited him. And after that talk, he had some questions, they were answered, mashallah, beautifully, and he retook his shahada. And he died literally a week later. And just think about that, brothers. That's because it's all from Allah, but Allah used us as a tools. We were involved in the da'wah. If we did not organize all this, if we did not bring Hamza all the way from UK, if we did not organize, this is all part of a da'wah program, then God and Allah, who knows what the fate of that guy would have been. SubhanAllah. This is the reason why we're involved in the da'wah. This is the reason I'm still involved after all these years, and why other brothers are involved.